Hey everybody, Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. So I have a new taillight for you. It's a pretty affordable option that fits this model here. That's a 2020 through 2022 GTS 300 HPE, but it also includes all the hardware that bolt onto a 2015 through 2019 model GTS 300. So fits kind of a wide range. If you have a 2023 or newer, it's not going to fit. If you have a 2014 or older, it's not going to fit. So just keep that in mind. Specifically engineered for the GTS 300s in those range. Looks really cool. It's got a matte black bezel, a tinted lens, fairly bright LEDs. It works very well with our turn signal kit. This is a smoke turn signal kit that's already installed on this 2020 GTS. And it's got multiple modes for the brake lights, but the cool thing is you hold it and it does the extra sequence to get better attention. Just kind of looks pretty cool. And you know, if you just do a quick brake, it doesn't do anything, but you know, if you hold it, kind of gives the little sequence. And that can be turned off. There's a little switch back there. If you're installing a 2020 to 2022, pretty much a direct bolt-on. There's some tricks, so let's get right into it. All you need is a T30 Torex driver and an M4 Allen driver. So we'll get it installed on this GTS here in this beautiful green. It's a 2020 model. And then I'm going to show how to put it on that 2019 GTS. So here we have a 2020 Vespa GTS 300 HPE. So the steps I'm going to do here apply to 2020 through 2022 Vespa. So if it has this style LED taillight, kind of with a ring, this tinted universal taillight will work just fine. So go ahead and remove the existing taillight. If you may need to remove your plate frame in some cases. I don't have a plate frame on here because you need to gain access to this single screw under here. Go ahead and pull the screw out. It has a washer on it as well. And the way this removes is you need to kind of pull with some pressure. You may want to get the pry tools, and sometimes you can just get your fingers under there and just pull it straight back. Don't be surprised that you see all that dirt back there. And then you just lift this little tab and it disconnects this connector here. So that's how you remove the existing taillight. You may want to clean that while you're at it. To install the replacement taillight, pretty straightforward. You can see the back side, there's a couple things. There's a little switch back here, and I'll show you what that does. You have the hardware bag, and you're going to need to locate these two kind of silver gold colored gripper clips is what they're called. And those will slide. You could also take them off the existing taillight. You just spread them a little bit and then you'll be able to get them on there. So click right on. There we go. So both gripper clips are in there. And the first step is we'll go ahead and plug the seal connector in. So just like that. And before I go any further, let's go ahead and power up the scooter. Show you what the taillight looks like. So they already have some pretty cool looking turn signals on here. That's a different product that we do sell. But you can see the center lights up. It's like that for the brake. Then you have this little toggle switch right here. And is what that does is it changes the sequence of what it does. So you have this flashing extra function of the taillights flashing when you hold the brakes. So that's with the little toggle switch on. And we'll go ahead and leave that on. So with this connector here, you kind of got to have it all sandwiched up underneath. Make sure it's out of the position of those gripper clips. So here we're on the 2019 through 2015 model. This is specifically a 2019. Still got the old school incandescent tail light. So it pretty much removes the same. Center screw in the middle down here. Kind of tip the whole tail light up, and it reveals like a standard connector. It's not sealed, so push that little tab and it releases the connection. And then you need to remove the bezel with 2 additional screws here. Bezel pulls right off. And then we're going to go ahead and replace that bezel with this little bracket right here. You could use the screws that are included with the kit, but the original screws work just as well. And there's a little bit of adjustability in this bracket, so kind of get it centered the best you can. And if needed, you can make it, you know, if you got to change the position of it, you could certainly do that. So the next step is we have this connection right here that's included with the kit. They don't quite assemble the connection, pretty straightforward. This is like the connector housing that goes on like that. Just match up the wire colors, and so yellow is going to be our pin 1, and they just snap right in. So there's kind of like a little leaf on the bottom. If you go upside down, they're not going to snap in, so just go ahead and flip it upside down. So white's on the outside, and then black, which is your ground, is on the middle. Go ahead and close that little shutter, and you can make this connection right just like that. I already have the gripper clips installed on the new replacement taillight. And of course, it's pretty important to test it before we install it. So it looks like it's working. Yep, so we're good. So the tricky part is getting all this stuff off to the sides and not interfering with those gripper clips. So it's a little bit of work to kind of get these connectors. You may need to try a couple times. Kind of position the connectors out of the way. And let's see if it snaps closed here. There we go. Go ahead and take the screw in the washer. I'll take the brand new one. And go ahead and tighten that. Clean the lens off so it looks all perfect. And there you go. So pretty straightforward, just a couple extra steps to put it on this 2015 through 2019 style GTS. So thanks for watching. Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com. You can find this taillight specifically for that 2015 all the way to your 2022 model GTS. What's the best way to light up the night is with a cool new LED taillight, but we got a little bit more on this pretty cool scooter. It's got the full ground effects light along with the taillight. So you got the red, watch that. Everything is all red, then turn it off. Pretty cool. See you on the next one. Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com.